Introducing the QCF-750 Torque Tester, an industry-leading tool designed to measure torque values with precision and reliability. This advanced torque tester from Advanced Witness series is engineered to meet the demands of various applications, providing accurate and efficient torque testing capabilities. With its wide torque range of 75-750 lb-ft, the QCF-750 is suitable for testing a diverse range of tools and applications. Equipped with a 3/4-inch square drive, this torque tester can accommodate various tools and attachments, enhancing its versatility. The QCF-750 enables bidirectional torque measurement, allowing you to test both clockwise (CW) and counterclockwise (CCW) torque values. It offers 3 operating modes: track, peak, and first peak, providing flexibility for different testing requirements. The QCF-750 features an intuitive user interface with a large display, making it easy to operate and read measurement results. Elevate your torque testing capabilities with the QCF-750 Torque Tester. Its wide torque range, bidirectional measurement, multiple modes, and intuitive interface make it an indispensable tool for professionals in various industries. Invest in the QCF-750 and experience precise and reliable torque testing like never before.